I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I hope you subscribe. On the news, there will be a tremor in Lego City. It's by, if you live by the Star Wars building, then you'll have a tremor. All the way to the State Bank to the Star Wars City. What? Are you kidding me? It's okay, kid. Sorry. Don't call an ambulance. Ooh. I don't think so. Earthquake! Oh. Ooh. On the news. Wait, I don't remember how to fly airplane. Helicopter. You need. How we could survive? Yeah. Please subscribe, and I hope you enjoyed that video. Give thumbs up. Bye.